Kicking off match 42, the National Life Universe and everything. We shall see the fates of our teams and their qualification rankings. Looks like 94-46, taking a bit of a break for now, just in front of the red barge. And then quickly spring back to life along with the rest of our robots here in teleoperated mode as drivers take the controls. 54-38, your current unofficial score in favor of the Red Alliance at the moment, with just about 2 minutes left to play in the match. Plenty of autonomous scoring there early on in that match, adding valuable points with their autonomous bonuses there to our total scores. Now here comes the IRS, the Car Box Society. They score a piece of algae in the net. That's good for 4 points. They make their way now back to the rear coral station. 36-60 free is CPR of the Red Alliance. They also score in the reef as the Velocity Raptors of the Blue Alliance quickly nab a piece of algae from the reef and score in the net. They'll do the same for a second piece. 4 points each for each of those algae scored in the net. Velocity Raptors back again, and they do score again in that net for an additional 4 more points. Raptors back and forth, still plucking out pieces of algae. They've got a pristine reef now over on the Blue Alliance side with plenty of room for scoring coral. Raptors reach up, they drop a piece of coral. Raid, Radar Artificial Intelligence Division out of Federal Way, Washington. They snap up a piece of coral as well. They're lining up with the reef along the back side, and they'll try to get that piece of coral in scoring position. Red Alliance side also full of coral. CPR lining up. Now here comes 94-46 C cubed as well. They're good for a level 2 score there on the bottom branches of the reef. That's going to be added 3 more points to their score. C cubed back again, another 3 points on the board from that level 2 score again. Raptors back at the front of the reef. They're dropping off pieces of coral now on level 3. 4 more points each for the Blue Alliance as we quickly approach our end game. CPR. They reach up and drop a piece of algae in the net. Now a second attempt as well. IRS, they briefly get caught on a piece of algae, but now line up with one of the deep cages. With both of these reefs pretty full up with coral. Now 2 Red Alliance robots seemingly in the air. Referees getting up close to double check. C cubed ending up in park. And Raid just outside of the barge zone as the robot swings back and forth in at that area.
The wrong hand, can't imagine how you feel. Only you know that it's real. Don't look back, just carry on, carry on, carry on. Don't look back, just carry on, carry on, carry on. Because you are
confirmed from that last match. Scores now ready. Up they go on the board. Red Alliance takes the win in that match. Final score 210-147. All 6 ranking points go to the Red Alliance, and Blue Alliance also earns the autonomous ranking point bonus. Now, hopefully this time, if all our technical issues sorted out, we'll be able to talk to our friend Kevin Ross. Let's see if we can go talk to Kevin Ross now.